Ah, 2026, everybody. I don't need to be seeing videos on how to wire a one-way and a two-way switch. Thank you very much. Very good, very lovely. But if you're genuinely struggling with one-way and two-way switches doing classically, then don't do it. Just don't do it. It's 2026. There are better and far easier ways of doing it. And more importantly, there's ways that use less copper and are less risk to the end user, and they're less dangerous, and they're sub 50 volts. They're just easier. How do you wire in one of these light switches? It's just a 2-gang light switch, and it's a 4-pin connector, and that's it. All you need is one of my favourite tools, a little Cyclops cutter, pair of strippers of your choice, whatever. Get your data cable wherever it needs to be. There's other videos, other animations that show you what this is. This is about how to terminate this cable. So, Cyclops cutter in the back of there. Around, you'll feel it when it goes through the outer. Do it a couple of times, and genuinely you'll feel it in the tool. We've got some aluminium screen and some packer. That's just there to ease the strain on the cable when you're pulling it back. And there is a drain wire in there. You need to cut back about 8mm worth of core. You can do it with your fancy cutters if you want. I like to do it the old-fashioned way because that's how I grew up doing it. There you go. Grab the little tool and you'll see there are 4 big holes there, and they line up with that, so it goes over that way and drops in the top there. And then on the back here there are 4 holes. So we just grab the I use a pair of needle nose because it's just easier. I find it just easier on my hands. There you go, that's gone in there. Grab that. That's gone in there. And it's color coded. No more having to remember L1, L2, which strapper, are you going to color code it? Are you going to sheath it? No, because the color codes are already in. That's it. That's done. That is how to terminate it. There's a nice little mounting plate. Remove those, wind those 2 screws up there. They go through the holes and wind them down. And when you're all done, take the connector on the back of there, just like that. You'll know it's right because you'll be able to close the gate. That's it. Fold it over, push it down, firm press either of the corners, and they're in. And that's it. That's how to wire a modern switch. And you can just come out of that and go to the next switch, and out of the next one and go to a PIR, and out of PIR and go to an outdoor PIR, and out of that one and into the next switch. And then you can go upstairs. Nowhere near the lights. The lights are wired separately. There are other videos for showing that. This video is just about how to wire in that switch. So there we have it. Yep. No, another routine. Like and subscribe if you want to know more. But more importantly, go and look at the website. Go and look at the animations and build that confidence that you can do this. You can do it. I know you can. I know you can do this. I know you can.